Hi guys. I heard it is time. Let the reckoning begin! No, I'm joking. I found my runes. I posted a video of me charging my runes in the moonlight. My runes are real. If you go watch that video or picture or whatever post, okay? And I've been taking notes since the series of planetary alignments have happened. And I brought my runes in and I threw them. And a while back, I posted a video about being summoned to have a conversation with Odin, because he is like Gran Turismo. He is like Clint Eastwood in my life. Him and I do not see eye to eye. Get it? But nevertheless, he is family. He has bloodlines. So when I threw my runes and Odin, Otala, landed in Asgard, it made me smile, it made me laugh, and it made me say, oh shit. Because Asgard, Odin, I'm not going to tell you my whole spread, because this is what's important. You guys don't need to know where I am anywhere else except for in the spiritual. Absolute pinnacle of divine inheritance, ancestral legacy, and spiritual home. Inherited land or estate. Sounds familiar that Odin would show up with all of this after everything that's happened. Legacy, deep connection to ancestors' bloodlines, and ancient wisdom. Belonging, finding your true home, sanctuary, place where you safely belong. Enduring wealth. Wealth? Enduring wealth. Permanently. Wolf. Fiki. Anyways. Stable possessions or values passed down through generations. Sounds kind of like somebody passed and they left me something. Doesn't it? Something that maybe I didn't get. But Odin showed up. Asgard. Cosmic order. Ultimate authority. And the ancestral seat. You are the chosen one. My energy is becoming highly elevated. This is my spiritual journey. If you'd like to follow along with it, please do. If not, that's okay too. I'm documenting this for me and to possibly help other people understand their path, their heritage, their ancestry, their lineage, why it's important. Divine right. stepping into spiritual inheritance backed by power, protection, and authority of the gods or your highest ancestors. My highest ancestor here being Odin in Asgard. The rune fell in Asgard. The significance is overwhelming. If you know anything, about Norse mythology, about Germanic history, legacy, bloodlines, ancestry, you are going, holy shit. The ultimate sanctuary. On Earth, it means physical property. But in Asgard, it means finding your true spiritual alignment and cosmic purpose. Somebody owes me an inherited land or estate deemed by Odin himself to be mine, of my ancestry and my inherited lineage. I have also been given the ancient wisdom passed down through generations. I'm sorry if you thought that that should have been yours. It's not yours. It's mine. I would also like my great-grandmother's cookbook that was to be passed down through this chosen line. Not yours. Mine. Sacred duty. Oh, by the way, it says that your spiritual alignment and cosmic purpose, you are exactly where you are meant to be. I'm exactly on my spiritual path and in the physical where I'm supposed to be. So everybody who keeps chiming in and trying to put their 2 cents in about what I'm supposed to be doing and this, that, and the other, I only have one thing that I listen to, and that is the higher authority of beings that are not of this place. Sacred duty. Asgard is a realm built on honor, oaths, and defending the realm. This combination notes that your inheritance comes with heavy responsibility, and you must protect your core values and legacy. Kind of crazy. People throwing me off of my path to protect the realm, to protect my legacy and my core values, coming at me, attacking me, trying to turn me, things like this. Summary of the message. Pulling Othala in Asgard is an incredibly auspicious sight. It tells you that you are fully supported by your roots and the divine. You are being called to claim your rightful place, honor your heritage, and build something of permanent, sacred value. This is why it was stolen. Because they knew. that with what was left to me, I could build this. I could do this on my own. Patterns, loops. If you believe you're stuck, even though you have all of this that people have stolen. It's okay though. You can't be a victim, right? No victim mentality. When people are masquerading as you, when people have IDs in your name, when people are pulling money out in your name, people are taking payments in your name, people are signing things in your name. No, none of that matters, right? None of it matters. Why should you worry about that? And none of that stuff has anything to do with you. You shouldn't be mad. You shouldn't be a victim. Oh, you're just a victim. You're just acting like a victim. Please. So then the solar eclipse. I realized the solar eclipse is happening on Wednesday in the land of the Vikings, the ancient ancestral seat. Remember how we were talking about the ancestral seat? So I looked it up. The dark cosmic eye of Odin is what the eclipse is called because of where it aligned over the earth and what it means, and the fact that it was on Wednesday. Odin's Day. The August 12th, 2026 eclipse is a literal, real-world fulfillment of the total solar eclipse landing on Odin's Day in the ancient land of the Vikings. Skull, the wolf that chases Sol, the goddess of the sun, catches her and devours her. This is the whole point of Odin's quest to stop Ragnarok. That is why Odin plucked his eye out and put it into Mimnir's well, which Mimnir is his uncle, by the way. See? Family, lines, ties. Which is what the sun represents. The well. His eye. His eye is what represents the sun. And the moon passing over it, hidden knowledge and occult wisdom. We know through tarot that the moon means this. To bring to light that which was hidden, Odin's search for power, wisdom, the unknown, and the unforeseen truth. What is done in the darkness, in the shadow, will come to the light. Receiving a higher level of enlightenment. If you went out during the solar eclipse and you did certain things, if you said and asked for certain things, you were granted higher enlightenment. That's why I'm not telling you all this until after, right? Using the solar eclipse to manifest. First you cleanse, then you cut, then you banish, then you call forth. Make an eye with a branch or vine. Place the black candle in the middle, representing the dark cosmic eye of Odin. Light a white candle on the left and the black on the right. The white candle flame should be smaller than the black candle flame. When you light it, this is an energetic sign that you are doing exactly what you should be doing. as in the white candle flame will light small because it is being eclipsed by the moon, and the black candle flame will be large. When the eclipse starts, the white candle will go out and the black flame will be large, manifesting your desires. I used my blood and bay leaves. Burn them over the black flame. When the black flame goes out on its own, the eclipse is over. Understanding nature's response to your manifestations, my results. This is what happened during this spiritual practice that I was doing. In spiritual traditions, encountering specific animals during a ritual or energetic window like a solar eclipse is rarely a coincidence. A solar eclipse represents a powerful time of rapid transformation, shadow work, and rebirth. A monarch butterfly, a yellow jacket, a cricket, an ant. Individual totem meanings. Ultimate symbol of metamorphosis and soul transformation during an eclipse highlights shedding an old version of yourself and emerging into a higher state of consciousness. The monarch butterfly that circled around me. The ant crawling across my bay leaves, and Odin's eye. Representing community, patience, discipline, and building solid foundations. Reminder, spiritual shifts require grounding, steady work in your daily life. I also did a grounding yoga practice. Yellow jacket. Intense boundaries, personal power, and protection. Reclaim your power. Stand your ground and clear out negative attachments. I did this. Cricket on the hand. Ancient symbol of good luck, intuition, and answered prayers. Because it landed directly on your hand at the exact moment you ended your practice. It acts as a literal handshake from the universe, validating that your intentions were received. Do you understand? The universe shook my hand. I find it frustrating that you can say things, help people, do this and that, and people don't listen. When you put these messengers together with an eclipse ritual, the spiritual practice that I did, they tell you a specific story about your current spiritual path. A shift in consciousness. You are moving through a massive personal transformation, the butterfly, that requires you to step into your authentic power and set firm boundaries, the yellow jacket. Grounding in integration. This eternal shift cannot just stay in your head. You must practically apply it and build it into your physical reality layer by layer. The ant, divine confirmation, the cricket landing on your hand at the final moment is a physical anchor that it is being put into the physical world from spirit. It is a sign of high cosmic favor, letting you know that you are fully aligned, protected, and that the good fortune is flowing into your life as a result of your steady, constant practice and unwavering faith. What do you believe? Who do you know?